A paper windmill is an interesting craft to make. It is great for decorating your home, attaching to gifts, or simply spending some quality time with your family members. An origami windmill is easy to make and requires only 2 papers, a glue stick, a glue gun, and a cocktail toothpick. You can use papers with different colors, decorated papers, or a straw to make an origami windmill if you don't have a cocktail toothpick. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel to be the first one to view all our latest updates. Start by applying glue on one paper. You have to affix the other paper on it, so apply along the edges, center, and diagonally. Place the second paper on top of the first paper and affix them together. Make sure you align the edges nicely with each other. Any differences in both papers will impact the project. Apply some pressure along the edges so they hold each together. Now you have one paper made of 2 papers. Fold the paper diagonally and smooth out the crease lines. Unfold, rotate the paper, and fold it again similarly. Unfold the paper. Grab a pencil or marker and mark 4 dots in the center of the paper, as shown in the video. The dots will lie on the fold lines. Use scissors to cut the paper. Start cutting from the edge of the paper along the fold line and cut till the dot on the line. Do the same for all the 4 lines. Make sure you cut slowly, as any off cuts will make the windmill look bad. Hold one edge of the paper and fold it in such a way that it meets the center of the paper. All the edges will meet at this point, so check once before applying glue. Let go of the edges. Apply some silicone on the center of the paper. Hold one edge of the paper and affix them together. Apply some more silicone on the same point, but this time on the top of the folded paper, and affix another edge. Do the same for the other 2 edges as well. Rotate the windmill to reveal the cleaner side. Now grab your silicone gun and apply some silicone on the center of the windmill. Affix the cocktail toothpick or a straw. Let it settle for a minute or 2. That's it. Your origami windmill is now ready. Draw some more to enjoy with your friends and family.